How to use reminders in Clickup. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the reminders on your Clickup dashboard. So we're going to be heading over clickup.com. Then we're going to sign in into our account. Once we are here, we're going to head over the space or the workspace. Now, once you are going to be on the workspace, you're going to choose one of the, as you can see here, spaces. We're going to select one of the spaces and then we're going to select one of the tasks. So we're going to be on the everything. For example, I'm going to have this task. It is going to be a subtask for social media tasks. I'm going to click on it. Once we have opened that task, I need to have a task here. So let's see if we're going to have this task. So let's see if it is going to give us the opportunity. This is not. So let's head over the marketing report. So this is a task. As you can see, we have an assignee, due date, and everything. I'm going to click on it, and it is going to put some more, let's say, details about it. So this is a complete task. We can go ahead and click on the three dots here on the task settings and click on Remind Me. So we're going to have a due date, for example. I'm going to have a due date of later tomorrow, for example. We're going to have a reminder for this task by tomorrow. We can go ahead and have a, for example, a due date of tomorrow, and it is going to have a reminder in the inbox or the notification. So this is how you can use the reminders for the teams and also for yourself. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.